Is it just me, or life is really moving incredibly fast? People I've known for years are scattered around the world. Some are graduating from college, others are getting married, while my siblings are finishing high school, and I'm just here, trying to make it work. We all work hard in life for different reasons and purposes. It might be achieving that financial independence, buying that first car, starting that business you've always dreamed of, or helping your family have a better life. You show up every day to make it work, but the more you try, the harder it really gets. Life isn't really a systematic routine. It doesn't have to always make sense. Hard work doesn't always guarantee success, and that's where it gets really confusing. What's the point of waking up every morning to go to work or school if the future is unclear? How do you trust the system when you know that the system itself is broken? But wait, would we work as hard if we knew that everything would turn out to be fine? Would we keep trying if we knew that nothing good would come out of our efforts? Maybe there's beauty in mystery. The uncertainty of life, not knowing what lies ahead, is what gives it meaning. We leap into the unknown, making decisions without knowing where they might lead us. But here's the real question you should be asking yourself. What choice do I have? You beat the system by accepting that you must keep showing up and putting in the work. Don't just keep pushing, get better at whatever you're doing. Understand yourself, stay consistent, and believe that you can achieve anything that you set your mind to. My life has been filled with struggles, from school to work, from friends to family, from skepticism to questions about money and God. Through it all, I kept pushing forward blindly, hoping that things would get better at some point. I never stopped trying, and I'm still trying today. I'm getting better each day, trying, trusting a path I can't really see, staying consistent with things whose meaning is yet to be clear. But trust me, hard work always pays off. I'm a living proof of that. So, what will you choose? Worrying about what will happen in the future, or doing something about it? In the end, think about it. What choice do you really have? Whoa. Before you say anything, I missed you too. It's been a while ever since I've uploaded videos. Now we're closing into our 6 months anniversary of not uploading videos on YouTube, which I'm not really proud of. A lot has passed by, a lot has went through, and a lot has, gone through the way. And I'm not expecting you to know everything that I've been doing all this past time. All I'm saying is that throughout the past few months, it has been quite a lot, combining school and work and being there for you guys. And one reason that I can give you guys is that if we went back on my YouTube channel and see how from the first video that I ever created to the latest video, which is probably this one or any other video that you see on my YouTube channel, you see that the evolution of videos has completely changed. From every single time there's something new, every single time I want to give you the best quality of videos ever, and every single time there is a standard of a video, I gotta go beyond that standard I've set by myself. That's why every single time I gotta put in the work, and I gotta make sure that I give you time and put in the quality that you all guys deserve. And I think with work now, I've been creating videos for now a company that I'm working for, and it's been intensely. You guys know how. I'll probably put a link down below to see some of the amazing works we've been doing and we've been able to accomplish throughout the past days and the past few months. And then you realize that all the content which has been out there has been, top notch. So I'm really sorry for not being there for you guys, but then I promise you that every single time that I upload a video, it's going to be a really nice video. And since we're entering the summer, most of you guys are having, some internships or some places to go. You can count on me on give you that best time. And guess what? Remember when I posted this video saying see you next year? Apparently next year is here. We are closing into our 5th boot camp of Isomo. Definitely one of my mostly anticipated events of the summer. So probably I expect to give you guys the whole tea, everything is going to be happening into that, and you'll be with me. Secondly, there's work, as I said, a lot of projects to work on, a lot of people to help, and a lot of things to create. And now there's my school stuff. Getting there to school and creating my own projects, including a whole entire application, which I'll tell you in some later videos. I want you to stay tuned because It's a lot. A lot is coming up, and a lot is going to be on his plate. So expect the best. Catch you guys in another one. Bye bye.